Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll explore how to use the integrated guidance system on MF5M tractors. The MF5M guidance system is factory installed and includes key components for seamless operation. It features a steering angle sensor located on the front axle and a steering valve that automatically regulates direction. The guidance antenna and navigation controller are mounted on the roof. Inside the cab, you'll find a guidance engagement switch and the FieldStar 5 terminal, which is used for settings and navigation. To get started, activate the steering valve by pressing the Auto Guide switch. Once activated, a white steering wheel icon will appear in the top right corner of the terminal screen to confirm activation. Next, use the FieldStar 5 screen to select a guidance line. Open the menu on the right side of the screen by clicking anywhere on the map. You can either select an existing guidance line or create a new one. Once your selection is made, press the guide switch again to engage the guidance line. You can also activate guidance directly from the terminal. To disengage guidance, simply press the guide switch again or use the dedicated button on the terminal. Finally, to deactivate the guidance system completely, press and hold the button. The indicator light will go out. Now you know the basics of the MF guide system on the MF5M. All that's left is to try it out for yourself.